Hi everyone and welcome. In this video I will explain how to get a new blog for free on internet. So I will propose Blogger service. Blogger is a platform created by Google. This platform is awesome. So first of all you need to click on this icon and click on new blog. After that, you need to enter the title of your blog. For example, I will enter web development and click on next. Here you can see the address. So I enter address web development 2022 and 21, for example. Click on save, wait a few seconds, and you will get the new blog. You can see the blog by clicking on view blog here, and you will see a simple blog. Then I will go back to the dashboard. This is my dashboard. Here in the sidebar you can see a lot of options. For example, posts, stats, comments, earning, pages, layout, theme, settings, reading list. So for posts you will see the list of the post. Statistic, you can see the statistic of your viewer and the data, the latest post, what is the data, what is the countries of the visitors, and other information. So here in comments you can see the comments are the comments on your blog. Here you can see earning. You can connect your AdSense with your blog to get paid. Here you can see the pages. You can enter a lot of pages like copyright pages, contact us pages, and other page. Here you can see the layout. This is very important option. The layout, you can change the theme and the layout of your blog, and you can personalize everything and every option on your blog. For example, if I enter here, you can see here a lot of widget. You can see here this profile widget is here. I can remove this option. For example, I click here and I click on show this widget and disable this option and click on save, and I go back here and click again. You can see I have disabled the option of profile. You can administrate everything from your dashboard here. Here on theme, you can see a lot of theme. Blogger will propose a lot of theme. You can select any theme. For example, I will select this theme, cats, and click on apply. New theme was applied. If I enter again on my blog, you can see that the theme was changed. Now in settings you can administrate everything. For example, I can change the title, the description of my blog. This is very important for SEO and the blog language, adult content, Google Analytics, property ID. This option will allow you to analyze and track your visitors from Google Analytics. Here you can see the provide publishing information, HTTPS, permission, and other information. So basically this is the steps, very simple steps to create a new blog for free. If you have any questions, please write on the comments. Thank you.